everyone, Sam again here. Welcome back. Today we are going to learn two great worship songs. We are going to use different style today. We are going to use reggae. The first song, it goes like Baba yangu nimekuja kukupa ibada wastahili. So we play like Baba yangu nimekuja kukupa ibada wastahili. Okay, and the other one we know it go like heshima na utukufu na sifa ni zako Bwana. Alright, now let's start with the first song. Baba yangu, together with beat. Let me play the main keys. Baba yangu nimekuja kukupa ibada wastahili. Okay, let's play the main. The main keys, we start like this. Baba yangu, then B, the upper B. Again, Baba yangu, nimekuja kukupa ibada wastahili. Then you repeat. That's it. Alright. Now let's play the melody. The melody goes like this. And remember that you can create your own melody. It doesn't matter if you change a little bit, as long as you're okay with it and it follows, okay? So again, so Baba yangu nimekuja kukupa ibada wastahili. It repeats like that. Let's play with the beat. Remember, we are using reggae, so I think also you can try different styles. Instead of just playing the normal worship styles, we can change a little bit. Let's move a little bit of our hand together with the bass so we can start. If you have seen, I have moved from here, I went up, I went back, down. Alright? It's the same process, alright? So, for example, we play Baba yangu. Then I play the upper one. I add even this number 6. You can play like that, or you can just play the down one. As long as you follow the roots, okay? Let's mix with the other song. The other song goes like heshima na utukufu. We know that song. Heshima. Let's play a little bit. Okay, so the song itself, many keys will start like Heshima na utukufu na sifa ni zako Bwana. Then you start again, Heshima. Simple, isn't it? The melody. Okay, let's play now the two songs together. So start like Baba yangu. Start with that song. Alright, that's how we play these songs, guys. Remember that there are songs that they go together, okay? With the Lega style, they go together. Like these two songs, you can combine them, no problem. You can add even more songs, especially in times of worship. It's no problem with that. So today, that was our lesson, guys. If you are interested in what you see and if you have not subscribed, please consider to subscribe, like and share. A lot of you have not subscribed. Please consider to subscribe, like, share, comment down there next song that you want us to do. And for those who have requested songs, remember that we are working on them, guys. I'll see you again in the next one. Very goodbye.